Hello folks, this is David Schlossberg from Assured Concepts Group with an educational economic update for May of 2019. In this month's video, I'll discuss some of the major headlines that influenced the markets in April. I'll also provide insight into what these developments can mean for you as an investor. April was another positive month for the markets. All three of the major domestic indexes posted gains. The Dow Industrials added 2.6%, and the NASDAQ Composite was up 4.9%. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 increased by 3.9% and wrapped up its best 4 months of performance in almost 9 years. So what happened last month? We received stronger data updates than many people anticipated, especially for economic growth and corporate earnings. For example, the latest reading for gross domestic product indicated that the economy grew by 3.2% in the first quarter. Economists predicted growth that was closer to 2.5%. Instead, the initial reading was the best first quarter results since 2015, and the first time since that growth exceeded 3% between January and March. Corporate earnings have also been surprisingly strong so far. When earnings season started, many investors were prepared to weather some choppy results. For months, experts discussed how the effect from 2018's tax cuts would no longer help drive corporate profits. As a result, earnings would disappoint starting in the first quarter of 2019. But that didn't happen. By the last full week of April, however, the initial earnings results were telling a different story. FactSet Research reported that almost half of the S&P 500 had shared the reports, and 77% of those beat their own earnings estimates. Of course, we still have many reports to receive, so no one can say yet how this earnings season will end. As of April 26th, FactSet was still projecting a year-over-year decline for corporate earnings. Credit Suisse, on the other hand, forecasted an increase of as much as 3%. Either way, the initial results seem to indicate that first quarter corporate earnings are better than many people had expected. Stocks responded to these results by climbing even higher. In the last full week of April, both the S&P 500 and NASDAQ Composite reached new record highs, and all three major indexes have experienced double-digit gains for the year. The markets have come far since the decline we experienced late in 2018, and this month, we will see where they're headed. From earnings season to the Federal Reserve meeting and beyond, we have a lot to analyze. As always, if you have questions, we're happy to chat. Well, that's it for this month's Educational Economic Update. Once again, this is David Schlossberg with Assured Concepts Group, signing off for the month of May 2019. Please remember that nothing we discuss here is a recommendation. If you'd like to talk about your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 847-426-1077. We'd be happy to talk to you.
If you would like to discuss your portfolio or personal financial needs, please contact us at 847-426-1077. Nothing stated in this presentation should be considered an offer of a securities product nor an investment strategy. The advisors of Assured Concepts Group offer securities and investment advisory services through FSIC. FSIC is a member of FINRA and SIPC.